The status report which has been submitted by the state of West Bengal indicates the following position in regard to the ongoing work at 28 medical colleges. 5 को A1 का copy कर लो. As regards the status of the work at the RG Medical College, the status report is in the following terms. Page 6 और 7 को भी दी.
मेरा सफेद तुरंत खुले, भरपूर झाग दे और इसकी स्मार्ट साइंस दे स्मार्ट केयर और फ्रेशनेस. मेरी चॉइस, मेरा सफेद.
Though the state has indicated that the remaining work would be completed within a time frame of 31 October 2024, the court has been assured that all work would be completed by 15 October 2024.
We will make all endeavors, some little thing will remain.
The state will make all endeavors to complete the work by 15 October 2024. To stop, the state shall positively ensure that work is completed by 15 October 2020.
It's not to put the point.
In RG Core, one moment.
If this irregularity has been going on for at least 2 decades, and if the individuals who have now been appointed have been associated
My lord, can the state please
then
finish?
the fact that the previous employment was not with RG Core doesn't make a difference.
No, but
I know, but sometimes what happens is that merely because he was with RG Core 4 years back,
Should be at least
he may not be involved in anything at all if these are.
disclose whether the individuals had previous relationship with RG Core. Let them at least disclose.
My lord, but that is the most shocking part of it. Because 4 years back, my lord,
You know what? Sometimes you need a person who is conscious of that particular establishment also. If that person is otherwise free of taint, and today the government is bringing in somebody from outside, there's no reason for us to suspect that a person who is deliberately brought in with a taint.
Yes, my lord, we
years
took
back,
instructions
there was-
and we are told that immediately the doctors are not aware of any taint, but we will come back with specific instructions.
In RG Course College, Lord, regarding duty room, Lord, the tenders have matured, but we need the CBI's clearance, Lord, because of the crime.
Mr. Solicitor,
I'm sure, Lord, will.
they need your clearance for completing the work in the duty room because you've lifted all the evidence now.
Whatever they were supposed not to do for first 5 days, they've done. Now, even if they do something more, we have no objection.
Anyway, you just communicated to them, that's all.
Yes,
That's
there
all
is
right,
one
Lord. It's-
aspect.
It is the CBI which has stopped us, Lord, so we need permission, otherwise we would have done it.
my lord, 4 years back, when this
No.
particular person
But then maybe complete, we have more serious.
my lord, he was responsible for selling of babies. My lord, the matter is pending before the
No,
High Court.
this is unfair, this is unfair.
But it's not unfair.
Just one second.
I don't know from all these reports.
actually.
Let CBI investigate.
You can't
Who are you?
make 1 second.
No, I have the order sheet.
Just one
Where
second.
DNA
Who
was
is he?
conducted.
1 second.
Represent.
Please listen to us. You can't just throw an allegation like
Yes.
that across the bar.
Responsibility.
On the next date of listing, you show us something to indicate.
My lord, I'll show the orders where the DNA was conducted
Right.
by the High Court.
Put it on the record.
I'll put it on record.
You can't just, otherwise
Four
we have
years
to,
that-
we have to follow some order and
Yes, I'll
procedure in
put
the
it on
court.
record. I'll put it on
Nothing
record.
beyond-
We are here. We'll immediately ask them to replace the
Lord,
order.
he should also tell us what is his locus, Lord, from where he is getting
I mean,
information. Lord.
But my argument, it was.
All right, look, you put it on the record.
I'll
you
put it-
consider.
And which party does he represent?
Lord, may I have a very important request to make? Lord?
Correctly.
My learned friend said that all doctors have joined, Lord. They have joined, but only they are performing emergency
Oh,
work.
just a minute, below, this
They
is a
are-
false
one
statement.
moment.
It's a false statement
All right.
and admitted it in their affidavit. Below,
Very strict.
Indira Jaising,
Yes.
senior counsel appearing on behalf of the resident doctors, has made a solemn statement that pursuant to the hearing which took place in court on the last occasion, all doctors have rejoined their duties.
below, they were the expression that I've used.
Responding to the statement of Mr. Rakesh Dwivedi,
They are not doing IPD and OPD.
Second,
that learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of the state of West Bengal, that the doctors are not performing
IPD
the
and
IPD and OPD duties, Ms. Jaising assures the court that the
That's
doctors are
right.
performing all duties without exception.
including all essentials and emergency services, that may be recorded.
All duties-
No, Lord, because there's a dispute over the expression. The essential services are being performed.
You are not performing only essential services, right? You are performing all duties, we take it from you. You are
And they've admitted it in their own affidavit.
you're performing
No,
all
we
duties.
have said not IPD, OPDs.
Look, this is part of the threat
Anyway, Mr.
culture.
I'm not accusing, but I'm only
This is
praying with
part of
folded
the
hands. to
civilization of the doctors,
join.
not
So therefore, we have recorded your statement that
Mr.
you are
Puja.
performing all duties. So now abide by the statement.